Welcome to our YouTube channel, My Tech Students. SproutGigs is a micro-tasking and freelancing platform that allows users to earn money by completing small tasks or gigs. The platform is available in over 100 countries and offers a variety of tasks, including data entry, surveys, transcription, and social media marketing. To get started on SproutGigs, users must create an account and complete a profile. Once their profile is complete, they can start browsing for tasks. Tasks are typically paid in cents or dollars, and the amount of pay per task varies depending on the difficulty of the task. Once a user has found a task that they want to complete, they can click on the View Task button to learn more about the task. The task description will include the task requirements, the pay rate, and the deadline. If the user agrees to the terms of the task, they can click on the Accept Task button to begin working. Once the user has completed the task, they must submit their work for review. The task reviewer will then approve or reject the work. If the work is approved, the user will be paid the agreed-upon amount. SproutGigs is a legitimate way to earn money online. However, it is important to note that it is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Users will need to put in a significant amount of time and effort to earn a significant amount of money. Here are some of the pros and cons of SproutGigs. Pros. 1. Easy to use. 2. Available in over 100 countries. 3. Legitimate way to earn money online. 4. Variety of tasks available. 5. Pay rates vary depending on the difficulty of the task. 6. Users can earn money by completing tasks or by referring new users to the platform. Cons. 1. Not a get-rich-quick scheme. 2. Users will need to put in a significant amount of time and effort to earn a significant amount of money. 3. Some tasks may be boring or time-consuming. 4. There is a risk of fraud or scams. Overall, SproutGigs is a legitimate way to earn some extra money online. However, it is important to be aware of the pros and cons before signing up. Here are some additional details about SproutGigs. 1. The minimum withdrawal amount is $10. 2. Withdrawals can be made via PayPal, Payeer, or Bitcoin. 3. The processing time for withdrawals is typically 3 to 5 business days. 4. SproutGigs has a 24/7 customer support team that can be reached via email or live chat. If you are interested in earning money online, SproutGigs is a legitimate option to consider. However, it is important to be realistic about your expectations and to be aware of the risks involved. There are several ways to earn from SproutGigs. Here are a few of the most popular methods. 1. Completing tasks. SproutGigs offers a variety of tasks that you can complete to earn money. These tasks can include data entry, surveys, transcription, and social media marketing. The amount of money you earn per task will vary depending on the task. 2. Referral program. SproutGigs also has a referral program that allows you to earn money when you refer new users to the platform. 2. For every person you refer who signs up and completes a task, you will earn a commission. 3. Selling your skills. If you have any skills that you can offer, such as writing, editing, or web design, you can create a profile on SproutGigs and offer your services to businesses and individuals. The amount of money you can earn will depend on your skills and the demand for your services. The amount of money you can earn from SproutGigs will depend on how much time and effort you are willing to put in. If you are consistent with completing tasks, referring new users, and selling your skills, you can earn a decent amount of money each month. However, it is important to be realistic about your expectations. SproutGigs is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You will need to put in a significant amount of time and effort to earn a significant amount of money. Here are some tips for maximizing your earnings on SproutGigs. 1. Complete as many tasks as possible. The more tasks you complete, the more money you will earn. 2. Be selective about the tasks you choose. Not all tasks are created equal. Some tasks are worth more than others. Before you accept a task, make sure to check the amount of money you will earn and the amount of time it will take you to complete it. 3. Be a good communicator. When working on tasks, be sure to communicate with the requester and keep them updated on your progress. This will help to ensure that you are paid for your work and that you get positive feedback. 4. Be patient. It takes time to build up a reputation and earn a good income on SproutGigs. Don't get discouraged if you don't start earning a lot of money right away. Just keep working hard and you will eventually see results. If you are looking for a legitimate way to earn some extra money online, SproutGigs is a good option to consider. However, it is important to be realistic about your expectations and to be aware of the risks involved. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and press bell icon.